Hello YouTube, this is the first episode of the tool war. Today we have a comparison of the Topeak pliers. This is the first version of Topeak pliers and this is the second version. The second version, it is claimed that is for 12 speed gears and also it's making two jobs. This is for one job, only for disconnecting the master links from the chain. This also connects and reconnects the master link from the chain. Let's see what is the difference. At first it's the same quality, the same rubber here. The only difference I see is here. Let's check what is the difference. I'm very surprised that this is so identical, and I think if we put this here, the only thing that is different is this part that is missing here. Let me show you. If you can see here, only this part, they just removed this part, so they enabled it to connect and disconnect, to do the two jobs, because with the old version you could only connect, you couldn't remove the master link because of this curve here. But they just removed this part, so this is going inside the chain and removes the master link. So about the compatibility for the 12 speed, let me check the width of these parts. Let me take this. This is the new, the 12 speed. Let's see how thick is this. 1.75 millimeters. This is the old one, the version. Let's see. 2.2. Let's see. 1.3, 1.8. So it's a bit thicker. Let's check again. The new version, just a bit. So let's check how they are working, how this tool is connecting and disconnecting, and probably if only these are the two differences, what I'm thinking now to do is just to go to my service store and try to remove this small part here, so, and make this thinner and make this a bit thinner, as you can see, and probably I will convert this old one to be like the new one. Okay, we will try this. So we connect this, we press to release, to remove, and that's it. It is removed. We connect again, we put the pliers like that. Okay, we keep with our hands and we make the opposite movement like that, and that's it. Very easy. With the other pliers like this, we wouldn't be able to open because it has this curve here. So let's check now if the tool that we made is working or not. This is the tool. At first, let's see if it is removing the master link. Okay, it has removed the master link. Now we will put it again here. We will try to install it. Here and here. Okay, I make the opposite movement and perfect. Okay, so in a very simple way we converted the old Topeak tool like the new. So this is now compatible with 12-speed chain and removes and connects the master link. Thanks for watching.